If you're an esthetician, your website can't just be a generic, pretty homepage with a phone number slapped on it. It has to feel like walking into your treatment room. So calming, trustworthy, and professional, but also set up to book clients, sell products, and answer those, is this right for my skin type of questions before they even ask. Now, without a solid website, you end up relying on random walk-ins and word of mouth, and you lose clients every time someone checks you out online and can't easily see your services, pricing, or availability. Your site should make it simple to book appointments, showcase before and after photos, collect reviews, and even sell skincare products while you sleep. Now, by the end of this video here, you'll know exactly which website builder will work best for estheticians. And if you click away early, you risk choosing the wrong platform and watching your competitors scoop up the online bookings that could have been yours. Esthetician websites are different because you're not just selling a product, you're asking people to trust you with their face and skin. Your site has to do more than look pretty, right? It has to communicate safety, professionalism, and clear results. Potential clients want to see treatment menus, pricing, availability, credentials, and real proof that you know what you're doing. Now, on top of that, you need smooth online booking, easy ways to rebook, and maybe even automated reminders so your clients don't forget their appointments. Pick the wrong website builder, and you'll constantly feel like you're fighting against your own tools instead of letting them work for you. Now, before we move forward here, I have to say, so if you're like me and you just don't have time to research dozens of website builders and you just want the best option for roughly 99% of estheticians, go ahead and click this link right up here to try it for free with the absolute best pricing offer that I could find if you decide to upgrade later in the future. Now, no pressure to click that link right now, of course, but it is there throughout this video if you need it. So with that out of the way here, let's go ahead and talk about the platform that usually gives estheticians the best overall balance of design, features, and price. Wix is best for estheticians who want something that looks professional, works smoothly, and doesn't require a tech background, but still offers enough flexibility to grow with your business. Now, if you're running solo or have a small team and you want to showcase services, before and after photos, and online booking all in one place, well, Wix checks a lot of those boxes. Estheticians typically like Wix because you can start with spa and beauty templates that already feel kind of on brand, then drag and drop sections to match your style. So no coding, no headaches, nothing like that. You can highlight your facial menu, add an FAQ about skin types, embed Instagram galleries, and set up online bookings so clients can schedule directly from your site instead of DMing you at midnight. Some of the big strengths for estheticians are built-in booking tools, the ability to accept deposits or payments online, and integrations that let you collect emails for future promos or skincare launches. You can also add a blog if you want to educate clients on things like pre-facial prep or post-peel care, which helps build authority and keeps your clients coming back. Now, on the downside, Wix can feel a bit overwhelming if you try to customize every tiny detail. And if you outgrow the lower tier plans, you'll pay a little bit more as your features like online payments or advanced bookings come into play. Pricing usually ranges from budget-friendly starter plans up to mid-tier plans that work great for most active esthetician businesses, with higher tiers if you want full e-commerce for product sales. Now again, if you want to check out Wix for yourself by creating a completely free account, you can click right up here to sign up and learn more about how they can help you. And if you're thinking, Wix, it sounds great, but I care a lot about having a clean, high-end brand vibe. Well, the next option here might be exactly what you're looking for instead. Squarespace is best for estheticians who want that, high-end luxury spa aesthetic and are obsessed with having a sleek, minimal, and modern look. If your studio leans more high-end day spa than, budget facial bar, Squarespace can help you present a polished brand that feels cohesive from, fonts and colors to how your photos are actually laid out. Estheticians often like Squarespace because it's very visual. It makes it easy to showcase your treatment room, your tools, your product shelves, and your best before and afters in a way that feels more like a magazine spread. It's great for solo estheticians or boutique studios that want to attract clients who care a lot about atmosphere and brand experience. Now, strength-wise, Squarespace shines when it comes to design, mobile-friendly layouts, and built-in tools like simple scheduling, blogging, and basic e-commerce for selling skincare or gift cards. It can handle the essentials that most estheticians need, like service pages, booking links, contact forms, and a gallery. Now, that said, there are some limitations compared to Wix, so it's not quite as flexible when it comes to layout tweaks. And if you want, more advanced booking tools or very specific features, you might find Wix gives you more options. Squarespace templates are beautiful, but they're also a bit more locked in. So if you like to, tinker, that can be frustrating. Now, pricing tends to be mid-range, usually slightly higher than bare bones budget options, but very reasonable for a premium looking esthetician site. So if you want to check out Squarespace for yourself, there's a link for them in the description below, which will lead you to a special limited time offer that they're running right now for new customers. And if you're listening to all this and you're thinking, okay, but I really need something that's more budget friendly that still gets the job done, well, the next option here is going to be worth a look. Hostinger is best for estheticians who want to keep monthly costs low, but still want a professional website that they fully control, especially if you're open to using WordPress or you're willing to follow a simple setup guide. It's a great fit if you're, just starting your aesthetics business, watching your expenses closely, or you plan to scale and want a platform that can grow into something more advanced over time. Estheticians really like Hostinger because you can host a WordPress site, use a beauty or spa theme, and then bolt on whatever booking system or plugin works best for your exact setup, whether you offer facials, waxing, lash lifts, or all the above. Now, some strengths for estheticians: you get a lot of flexibility and control, access to thousands of WordPress themes and plugins, and overall very affordable pricing, especially compared to some of the all-in-one builders at higher tiers. You can build a full site with service descriptions, online booking via a scheduling plugin, client intake forms, and even a full e-commerce store for skincare products. The trade-off is that it's not as plug and play as Wix or Squarespace, right? You have to be okay installing themes, managing updates, and occasionally troubleshooting plugins. Hostinger's plans are typically very budget friendly, especially for the first term, which makes it appealing if you'd rather spend more on skincare inventory or equipment than software. Now, if Hostinger sounds like it's the best fit for you, well, go ahead and check out the link in the description below, which also entitles you to a special deal that they are running right now for new customers. But if you're still not sure which platform actually makes the most sense, right? And you're thinking, what should I even be comparing these things on? Well, the next part is crucial because it'll show you exactly what to look for in any esthetician website builder. So when you're choosing a website builder as an esthetician, the first thing to look for is built-in or easy to connect online booking. You want clients to see a treatment that they like, check availability, and book within a few clicks without needing to call or send a DM. If your platform doesn't support smooth booking, you'll lose impatient clients to someone who does. Second, pay attention to service menus and customization. So you need to clearly list facials, peels, waxing, add-ons, and packages, plus any special notes like, not suitable during pregnancy or ideal for acne-prone skin. Your builder should make it really easy to create clean, scannable service pages so people don't get overwhelmed and click away. Third, make sure that it handles mobile responsiveness really well. So a lot of your clients are scrolling on their phones between errands or, during lunch breaks. Your website should look amazing and be easy to navigate on mobile with big tap-friendly buttons and a booking button that's impossible to miss. Fourth, look for photo and review features. So as an esthetician, your work is visual. You want to show before and after photos, your treatment room, and maybe even product shots. Having a place to display client testimonials or Google reviews is a big trust booster, especially for new visitors. And fifth, think about integrations and marketing tools. So can you collect email addresses for future promos? Can you connect to your social media? Can you add a blog where you share skincare tips? These features help you turn first-time visitors into long-term clients. When a builder makes things easy, it becomes a tool that actually grows your business instead of just, being a website. Now, at the end of the day, all three platforms can work, but for most estheticians, Wix ends up being the best overall option. It gives you the right mix of beautiful designs, powerful booking features, and user-friendly tools without forcing you to become a tech expert. So if you're tired of juggling DMs, missed calls, and confusing booking links, and you just want one clean professional website that helps you attract and book more ideal clients, you can click right up here to create a completely free account and start building out your esthetician site today. Now, if you have any questions for me, or you're a little bit confused about what's best for your business, no problem at all. Just drop me a comment below and I will do my absolute best to help you out as soon as possible. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.